Good morning, everyone. I am Taeyang Shin from SJKC Chongjing 2, Guangdong, Pahang. I am 10 years old and I am the only child in the family. My hobby is reading story books. Today, I would like to share a book review about a story entitled The Shepherd Boy and the Wolf. This story is a famous fable that teaches us an important lesson about honesty and trust. Even though it is a simple story, it has a meaningful message that can be applied in our daily lives. The story takes place in a peaceful village surrounded by green hills and tall trees. In this village, there is a young shepherd boy whose responsibility is to take care of the villagers' sheep. Every day, he brings the sheep to a graze on a grassy hill, far away from the village. At first, the boy enjoys his job. He will watch the sheep, sing songs, and run around the hill. However, after many days, he began to feel very bored. He has no friends to talk and nothing exciting to do. One day, he gets a naughty idea. He decided to drink the villagers for fun. He shouts loudly, "Wolf! Wolf! Wolf! Help! A wolf is attacking the sheep!" Hearing his cries, the villagers quickly stop their work, grab sticks, and run quickly up the hill to help him. But when they arrive, they find no wolf at all. The sheep are safe, and the boy is laughing because he successfully fooled them. The villagers feel annoyed and warned him not to lie again. But the boy does not listen. A few days later, he becomes bored once more and repeats the same prank. Again, he shouts, "Wolf! Wolf! Help!" Once again, the villagers rush up the hill only to discover that he has lied again. This time, the villagers become very angry. Tell him that if he lies again, no one will believe him anymore. Still, the boy does not take their warning seriously. Then one afternoon, something unexpected happens. A wolf appears from behind the bushes and slowly approaches the sheep. The boy becomes terrified. He realizes the danger is real. He shouts desperately, "Wolf! Wolf! Please help! It's road is tight!" Unfortunately, the villagers hear him but choose not to believe him. As a result, no one comes to help. The wolf attacks, and the sheep are gone. When the villagers finally check on him, they find the boy sitting sadly on the hill, crying. He tells them that he was telling the truth, but it was already too late. The villagers reminded him that when someone lies repeatedly, people will eventually stop trusting them. From that painful experience, the boy learns an important lesson and promises never to lie again. What I like about this story is its simple but powerful message. The main lesson I learned from this book is that honesty is very important. Trust takes a long time to build, but it can be very quickly destroyed. Once people lose trust in us, it can be very difficult to earn it back. Overall, I would rate this book 5 out of 5 stars because it is meaningful, educational, and memorable. Thank you.